Hi everybody and welcome again. I'm here with Caitlin and we're going to show you a way to get rid of those hiccups. So this method involves traditional Chinese medicine and subduing rebellious qi. So what does that mean? Well, in Chinese medicine, rebellious qi can often cause symptoms of hiccups. And a way that we can deal with hiccups is by pushing on an acupuncture point that helps deal with that rebellious qi. So this point can be found by taking 3 fingers like this, and you're going to put them starting from the wrist in your crease up like that. Then at the edge of that finger, you're going to go to the middle of your forearm and put pressure on that point and hold that until your hiccups go away. And I found this to be fairly effective at getting rid of hiccups, so hopefully this will help you out. Bye guys!